what we dive like. Okay, trying something a little bit different today. I'm just going to fly the little 65mm 04 Meteor. As you can see, we've got a pretty cool location. Let's stop that from beeping. So let's have a little rip around, see what everything looks like. We're armed. It's obviously the main event, this tree. Oh, we're in horizon. We don't want to be in horizon, do we? Let's go into air. That's better. There we go. So I definitely don't want to get this stuck in a tree, but these gaps are fun. So we can do a split S. Okay, what did I say? Don't want to get it stuck in the tree. Now, I've been flying the Avata and the Neo this morning, so this all feels a little bit funny, but I'm interested to see what sort of quality we can get through here, and then I'm going to go deeper into the trees where I normally fly with the Avata and the Neo and try that as well. So let's just do one more battery here, and then we'll go and try that. So interesting to see what type of height we get with this and how that picture quality looks. And what we dive like. Yes, look at that. Land now though. I don't think this battery was fully full, but yeah, that battery needs replacing already. I don't think it was full when it went up. So actually let's do one more battery here because that one was dead. I'm gonna put it on. I'm definitely gonna need to buy some more of these 1S batteries. Okay, let's try some power loops through the legs. Okay, no we won't. Nearly. Nearly. So as everything flies just a little bit different. Air 65, Meteor 65, Neo, Avata. Got no idea why I am coming out of the power loops. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's have a look how the Meteor 65 Pro with the 04 DJI looks in the trees. So we've obviously got good range. It's a good challenge for it as well, being in the shade than in the sun. So that looks cool. Be interesting to see how this looks afterwards when I edit it. It flies so nice with no wind. Okay, let's try a little power loop. Oh, nearly. Just needed a little bit more, whoop, a little bit more oomph to get round, or to get out the bottom, or a little bit more height, I suppose, for this. Just that extra bit of weight compared to the Air 65. Try another smaller one. Yeah. But considering this is a 65mm on a 1S, very nice around here. Whee! I haven't hit a tree yet. Okay, battery's getting low. So we can hover it in front of the camera. No, battery's gone. Probably push that again a little bit too far. Like, I come down at 3.2. I'm coming down or thinking about landing. Am I doing that right? For you guys, I'm obviously new to these type of batteries. Neos and Avatas, I just fly until like 20% or till they feel like what tells me to land or auto lands. Where with these, am I ruining the battery flying that low? It'd be interesting to know. So that's the Meteor 65 in the trees outside trying to do some power loops. Obviously my skill level is going to affect how this flies as well. I'm still relatively new, especially to flying whoops. So let me know if you have any questions, let me know if you have any requests, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Okay, off the head, round in a circle, through the legs and power loop. Let's see. Oh God.